Y'all, I'm so sorry. Oh my God. Hey everyone, quick warning before we jump in. Today's video features a phone call with a scammer that takes a really unexpected and inappropriate turn toward the end. Things get vulgar, so viewer discretion is advised. Now, with that out of the way, I got a scam call, decided to mess with them a bit, and well, it spiraled. This is literally the most uncomfortable I've ever been, and I guess I'm putting it out to the public for everyone to see. Actually, I forgot about something. Y'all voted for this. Y'all asked for this video, okay? I did not want to edit this video. God dang it.
I had a missed call from this number. I was just returning the
Yeah.
phone call.
Okay. And you're calling the Mega Millions, and why you got this phone call? It is because you have won yourself a cash award. Did you get a claims number? Just hold the line for me.
All right.
Let me just pull up your file.
I guess we're going to mess
All
around
right,
with the
Miss
lottery.
Margot, what I can see here on the computer is that you have won yourself a certified cash award valued at $19.5 million as the first place cash awards winner under the Senior Citizens giveaway courtesy of the Mega Millions. Okay?
That's what it said, but it didn't say my name. I didn't know if you had the right number. I won $19.5 million.
That's correct. All right. My name, you remember my name?
No, I don't believe you gave me your name.
My name is Raymond Johnson. And you said you have been, you are a CD holder. All right. Once the CDs you have don't exceed over $500,000, then they cannot charge us any other taxes. Okay.
All right. No, it's not that
So
much. It's not 500,000.
can you just hold the line for me again?
Yes,
I'm going to
sir.
try and contact the IRS agent and see if I can get this transfer completed.
All
Okay.
right. All right.
I'm back. All right. The information was sent to me now. Okay.
All right. I'm
So
ready.
all right, so go back on the computer now.
So the scammer gave me a bunch of information and walked me through doing a wire transfer of $17,000 on the Wells Fargo online banking site. The transfer was originally confirmed, but obviously the bank is fake. This money was possibly going to a victim's account, and then the victim would send the money to the scammer. So to protect the victim, I had the bank chat say that the transfer was declined to prevent a possible scam. We're gonna pick up from there and let it play out.
He said that account has been flagged for fraudulent activity. We cannot send money to that account at this time. What do I say?
All right. Tell them okay. All right. Is the bank closed?
No, it's only 9:45.
Oh yeah. All right. So you think you can go to the bank?
Yes, I can. Let me get ready.
Oh shit. He said, stay on the line, honey bunny. Now somebody else is calling.
So what are you going to use? The drive-through?
I'll try the drive-through, but I don't know if they'll let me do a wire transfer through the drive-through.
You're playing radio.
Yes, it's too quiet in the car without the radio.
I know, and I'm enjoying the music just the same.
Oh, thank you, darling.
Okay, sweetie.
I'm pulling into the bank.
All right, so you remember now?
Go around to the
You remember now?
drive-through.
All right, so you remember this now. It's to your nephew, and it's for a wedding.
All right, I'm at the window. I don't see anybody at the window.
Okay. So I guess you're going to have to go in.
I honked the horn just to see if somebody would come over here.
Okay. Okay, boy. Yo,
Hello?
mama, do.
Hello?
Said she only do, but then they decline it.
Are you there? I don't think anybody's coming to the window. That's all
I
right.
guess we're gonna
I'll
have to
just
go.
go inside. All right. I'm
Right.
inside now. Just hold on.
All right.
I just need to do a wire transfer.
Okay. Do you have the information?
It's going for the wedding gift cards. The wedding. He's getting married, is what they said.
Okay. Give me just a minute. I'll be right back. What I'm showing is that this account is on a temporary pause for fraudulent activity, possible fraudulent activity. We don't know for sure, but they're not going to do the transfer here. It also said that you tried to do this online earlier today and you were declined. We have reasonable suspicion that you are currently being scammed. You wouldn't happen to be on the phone right now, would you?
But I am on the phone. How do you know it's just...
Come here, honey. You're home.
No, I'll be home in just a minute. I'll turn the music down.
Oh, you turn off my music. I was listening to it.
Oh, I'm sorry. You know, it's funny you bring that up. I wrote a song for my husband, shortly before he passed away.
Before he passed.
Yes.
Well, when you get in the house, you're gonna sing that song for me.
All right.
I hope y'all enjoy it. It's like I said, it makes no sense, but it was just something funny I was kind of working on. I don't know the melody to the song, so it's probably gonna come out wrong, but I think that'll make it even better.
All right. I'm in the house, sitting down.
Well, you have checkbook at the house, right?
I do have a checkbook at the house. Let me read you this song
The
I wrote
song.
for Robert. Like I said, he never got the chance to hear it, and I wish he did, but he got cancer. Right after I wrote this, so he ended up passing away. Well, he'd work from dawn till the supper bell. Fix a busted plow with nothing but will. Raise 4 kids on beans and pride. Build a life with those rough old hands of mine. But ask him to hang a picture straight. Oh, darling, I'll get to it, just not today. He could chop down trees and wrangle steers, but that leaky faucet's been dripping for years. He's the hardest working lazy man I've ever known.
Oh man, I know he would have loved it.
I think so. He would have had a good laugh out of it.
Is there any other bank there?
There is a Bank of America. Oh, I needed some whiskey. Hold on.
Alice puts the phone down and starts to drink some whiskey. You know, I contemplated leaving the last few minutes of this video unedited because I did not want to relive what you're about to see. I put the phone down for about 20 minutes to give Alice time to actually be intoxicated, and that's where we're going to pick back up at. I'm sorry.
I hope you poured a shot for me.
Nah, I can pour a shot for you, but I didn't yet. I'll pour one. Are you coming over?
I wanted.
Are you coming over?
That's what I want to do, but remember the payment didn't go through as yet.
Come on, darling. The bed is waiting.
Huh?
The bed is waiting. And you come over.
I can't. I will.
Right
So
now.
what's happening with you? Where are you now? You're in bed?
I'm at home. I can be in the bed when you get here. I'll be in the bed when you get here.
Okay. So, what are you wearing now?
I could be wearing nothing.
So, you want me to take everything up there when I come over?
Yes, take everything.
So you say that where are we going to park the Lincoln? In the carport? You have a garage?
I have a garage, yes. Yes, I have a garage.
Okay. Double garage?
No, it only holds one car. But I'll put the Toyota outside.
Okay. And then you'll give me that space so I can park.
I'll give you
The Lincoln.
everything.
Or you want to give me right now? Tell me.
I'll give you everything. You just gotta come over.
You want me to come and do when I get over there? All right, what do you want me to do? Come on, let's set the mood, sweetie. Alice?
I'm here.
What are you doing now? You're laying in bed?
I need to go to the bed. I'm not in the bed yet. Do you like whiskey?
I do.
I have a lot of it.
So you're drinking one right now?
I am.
Which one are you drinking?
It's Jameson. Jameson and Canadian Mist.
Yeah, that's great. I like that one very much, Jameson.
It is a good one. It's a good one.
So you want me to come over and stay with you?
Yes, come over now.
What do you want me to do? Come and you?
That's a little forward, but yes.
All right, so you want to go in the room right now and take your clothes off?
Yes.
Get in the room and take your clothes.
Yes, come over now.
All right, get in the room.
All right.
Tell me when you're ready.
Bye.
Yo, I'm so sorry. Oh my God.